Two-factor authentication to your FA adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. Here is a quick guide to enable this feature. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on the account option. This section contains various security settings for your account. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Select two-step verification from the account menu. Tap on Enable to start the setup process. Step 5. Set a PIN. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your WhatsApp account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and update your recovery email if necessary.